Sit back on your chair. Now first we start with rotating of the neck. Rotating the neck. Can you all hear me?
You are very clear.
Can you hear me? Say yes
You are
or no,
clear.
because
Yes, you are clear. Kavita ji, you are clear.
Yes. Yes, you are clear.
rotate nicely. Three times on either side. The other side. And come back. Now roll your shoulders. See, these are the exercises that you know. But do you do that? See, when it is the class time, at least along with others, you do it. So you will get that relief from the stiffness. Okay. You know, we know many things in life, but we don't do it. So when you are with everyone, then you tend to do it. Okay, now put your fingers together, place them here, and then rotate your hands. So take your elbows pointing upward like this. Yes, very good. Very good. Stay there, stay there. Breathe. Sideways and then come back. Touch your elbows, pointing upward, and then slowly bring your hands. Now do it in the opposite direction. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Very good. Now hold your hands, interlock the hands nicely. Now open your palms from outside. Open your palms from inside. And now stretch your hands up. Take your hands up. And then slowly bring your hands down. Okay. Now all those who can stand, please stand up. Yes. Keep little distance in your feet. Little distance in your feet. And spread your hands apart. Yes. And now twist. Look behind. And twist The other side. Do it one more time with breathing. Breathe and do it. Yes. Breathe nicely and twist to the other side. Yes. Yes, Sonia. Yes, twist. Very good. Come back the other side. Yes. Now what you're doing is, you are standing with your feet apart, not too much, but normally feet apart. Take your one hand up, close to the ear, and then drop yourself on the side. The other hand, which is on the other side, should not touch your feet. It should be just like that only. And come back. The other side, the hand goes up. Yes. So your one hand is on your thighs, the other hand is straight up. Okay. So keep doing this dynamic. Breathe in. While coming up, breathe out. Breathe in. And breathe out. Do it one more time. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. One more time. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Relax. Very good. Now you can go for Tadasana. You know what is Tadasana? Yes, you will go on your toes and stretch your hands up. Okay? Yes. So go on your toes. And slowly come back. Go on your toes. Yes. When you come back, you will bring your hands down from the side, okay? While going up, you will stretch your hands up. While coming down, you will bring your hands down. Okay? Do it one more time. Do it 3 times rather. Once you have done, do it 2 more times. Do it better than the earlier attempt. Yes. And come. Very good. Sonia, you are going down. You are touching the feet. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So
Trying to go down and go further.
okay, fine. If you are able to do it, continue. Okay, if you all finish 3 times, now what you can do, what Sonia is doing, Hasta Padasana. Hasta means heart. Heart. Pada means feet. So you should touch your hands to the feet. Those who can do it properly and without any pain, please go ahead. So stretch your hands up. Inhale. Exhaling, go down. Touch to the feet. जितना आप कर सकते उतना करें, ज्यादा बेंड करने की जरूरत नहीं है, दर्द देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Yes. Those who can do it, very good. Yes, Nutan, very good. Inhale, stretch your hands up. Exhale, slowly go down. Very good. Very good. Good. Now, hold any object in front of you. That may be a chair or a table or maybe a wall or maybe a window pane or whatever. And go halfway as if you are sitting on a chair. You are not doing complete squat. Okay. But you will go halfway. Yes. Hold the wall. Hold the wall. Yes. How will you hold? Yes. Exactly. Yes, Shahnaz, you are doing right. Go halfway as if you're sitting on a chair and then come back. Very good. Naina, you are doing? Yeah. Don't move the legs. Don't move the hands. No. Not like this, Naina. Not like this. See? See, this is the table I have. So I'm holding the table. Go halfway. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you are bending only on your knees. Okay. You are not actually sitting down. If you can sit down, nothing like that.
कविता मेरा दोनों नी का ऑपरेशन हुआ है तो नी का
फिर नहीं करना, फिर नहीं करना ये, फिर ये एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना। जिनका ऑपरेशन हो गया है वो लोग ये एक्सरसाइज नहीं करेंगे। ओके, now you can sit on the bed. Sit on the bed and your legs straight in front of you. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Yes, Poonam. Very good. Point and flex. Point and flex. Very good. Now rotate the feet. Okay. Now go for Bhadrasan. What is Bhadrasan? Butterfly pose. Butterfly pose. Go for that. Okay. Yes, go for butterfly pose. Very good, Poonam. Do it nicely. Razia, do it. Very good. Feel the stretch on your thighs. Feel the stretch on your groin. Very good. Count 50 while you're doing it. You have to complete 50 at least. Yes, Sonia. You are doing butterfly pose. Very good.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is the minimum. So whatever exercise we have done until now, these are the minimum exercises that you can do. Okay. You did 50, all of you completed 50. Okay. And now we go for Bhramari. Bhramari is the humming sound. Humming sound creates vibrations and humming sound The vibrations created by humming sound helps any type of blockages in the body to melt. No blockages will remain in the body. Okay. So we will do humming sound. How will you do it? Listen first and then do. Lock your ears with your thumbs and then keep, wait. You don't lock, otherwise you won't listen what I'm saying. Then place these 4 fingers on your eyes, but don't touch the eyes, okay? You should only place them on your eyes, just like that. And then put your thumbs in your ears and then inhale, and exhaling, you have to make the humming sound like so humming would be exhalation of the breath. So while exhaling, you will make this sound from ear. Okay? Sure. Here we start 3 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama. Inhale. When we go for Omkar now. For Omkar, you have to take Gyan Mudra. This is Gyan Mudra. And just inhale. Rub your palms. Give a nice warmth to your face. Thank you very much and namaste. Now you